Hello everyone, in this video I will show how you can fix outgoing call problem on HMD Crest Max. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.